Hi guys, it's Chef Aviv here. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you my ultimate breakfast sandwich. Here I have some ground beef that I shape it to the same shape of this croissant. It's going to be our base for the sandwich. Here I have some selection of fresh vegetable, eggs, olive oil, pepper, and salt. So let's start. First of all, we're going to sear the patty. Let's add some olive oil to the pan. Some salt and pepper. Let's sear the patty. We're going to add some more salt and pepper on the other side. I'm going to sear the patty around 3 minutes each side. It's time to flip it. Look how beautiful golden brown color we have. And let's cook it for about another 3 minutes. Alright, our patty is ready. Let's take it out and put it on a paper towel. Let's move to the second stage of the ultimate breakfast sandwich. As you can see guys, this is my tips for you. I'm using milk frother. It's gonna make our eggs fluffy, airy, and you don't need to mix it by yourself. Let's add the eggs into the milk frother. I'm just gonna break the yolk to make it easy on the machine. Let's turn it on. On cold, there's hot and cold in the milk frother. You don't want to cook the eggs. And we will do it about 2 minutes. This is just crazy guys. I really want to show you what's going on here. It's so fluffy. So airy. Unbelievable. Look at this, we have beautiful foam. Let's make the omelet. You're gonna start on medium. Let's add some olive oil. Let's move the eggs all around. And let's clean the edge. Cook it nice and slowly. I'm going to add salt and pepper. Alright guys, moments of truth. Let's flip the omelet. It's time to build our ultimate breakfast sandwich. Here I have some beautiful croissant that is toasted in the oven. As you can see, nice and golden color. I'm going to chop some fresh, beautiful lettuce. Let's put the lettuce in the bottom. Here I have some avocado. Let's slice it. As you can see guys, we're building layer of flavor. So here you can add some cream cheese, some different vegetable, whatever you like guys. Be creative. We're going to add our omelet, the patty, some sliced cheddar. You can have any different kind of cheese if you like. Let's slice some few cucumber. Red onion. I like it spicy. Let's add some jalapeno ring. Some radishes. This is definitely one of my favorite vegetables. Let's add some green onion. Let's add some sliced cucumber, red onion, some jalapeno, radishes, and last, some scallion. Black pepper, salt. If you like guys, you can add even hot sauce here. It's gonna be a fantastic addition. The only thing you need here guys is a glass of orange juice or a coffee. Here you have it guys, my ultimate breakfast sandwich. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. I'm Chef Aviv, and don't forget to subscribe.